Summer days and sticky hands, candy wrappers, circus plans. Felt the laughter, felt the drop scream. Now it's just a faded dream, painted red, appealing hue, remembering me and you. Then the midway lights went black, no more turning, no way back. Just a single lonely spark, burning steady in the dark. I was built to hold somebody, and I keep holding the air. The single chain, my only body, swinging without a care. Above the snow, above the quiet, a lonely defiant stare. Frozen booth clock stuck in 9:47, whispering to the winter heaven. Empty tickets, faded signs, echoing forgotten times. Your cold metal, my cracked paint, sharing this enduring pain. Now the midway lights are black, no more turning, no way back. Just a single lonely spark, burning steady in the dark. I was built to hold somebody, and I keep holding the air. The single chain, my only body, swinging without a care. Above the snow, above the quiet, a lonely defiant stare. The wind begins to rise and blow across the silent fields of snow. My swing grows wider, chain creaks low, a flickering uncertain glow. And I keep holding the air. The single chain, my only body, chosen to swing out there. Above the snow, a steady pendulum.